Today I have come up with a very nice face pack with only 3 ingredients, but the other 2 options which I added are optional. You don't need rose powder and sandalwood powder. Just because I had them and it suits my skin, I'm using them. But turmeric and honey and milk is always there in the kitchen and your cabinets itself, so easy to find, easy to make. Let's get started, friends. I'm taking a small spoon, baby spoon, 1 spoon turmeric, 1 spoon of raw milk, 1 or 2 spoons of raw milk, and make sure that the raw milk is it's not heated up or something. Then I take some honey, friends. I take Clover's honey. Friends, I'm taking honey also, like around 1 spoon. Yeah. So 1 spoon of good honey. Honey is very good for your face. Friends, I'm mixing all these 3 things. Good powder. And it's used for face pack, so you can see sandalwood powder, face pack powder. So sandalwood powder actually. So I take this like 1/4 of a spoon or 1/2 of a spoon. It gives a good fragrance. Yeah, so much will do. Powder, friends, this is optional, so whether you have sandalwood powder or rose powder, that doesn't matter. You can only have honey, milk and turmeric. That's a golden mask. Friends, I added rose powder. This is like rose water, so you can add rose powder. It's optional whether you want it or no. It has 5 ingredients, but this mask can be made only with 3 ingredients like milk, honey and turmeric. The extra things I had and it suits my skin, that's why I'm using it. Otherwise it's not needed, friends. To wipe your face before, you just need a square or a round cotton. This one I've taken rose water, which is from the Indian stores. Just wipe off your face, friends, and remove all the residue which is there. Just rub it well. And rose water is so refreshing. It'll give a glow to your face before it gets started only, friends. So just wipe your face, friends. And this can be used by both men and women. It doesn't matter. The child of 12 years old can use it, and 80-year-old also can use this. So it's such a good and I can feel so good fragrance coming out from my rose water. Here is the paste. It got so well and soft and nice. Here's the paste. So you can apply this with a spoon also, or you can use your fingers directly. So it doesn't matter, but I like to use everything with my fingers. So here, friends, just apply it off on your whole face. I've applied on my face, on my arms and everywhere. Now I'll let it dry for 15 or 20 minutes and just sit and show you the result after. So it's a very good face pack. You can use it for your whole body actually. And if you feel that they're standing anywhere on your knees or elbows, you can put it anywhere, friends. So you know honey, how many uses it has, and honey makes you look fairer, and milk again removes all your dead skin and everything, and see how the skin is taking out all its dirt and whatever dead skins it had. And milk is very good, honey is very good. It makes all your hairs disappear naturally. But you have to use this face pack at least 2 or 3 times in a week to see its effect. Within 2 months you'll see that all your old blemishes, all your old pigmentation and suntan, all will go away, friends. See, you can put it anywhere behind your neck and on your neck, elbows, legs. You can have even put on this on your feet also, and once you put this on your feet, you'll have a very good skin showing up, and your skin tan everywhere it goes away. And it's a good face pack, and turmeric, it's anti-inflammatory, so it's very good, friends. Just avoid under your eyes and all. Just don't take it much closer to your eyes, and just put it on your face well, friends. I just took a shower because I had applied on my hands and all. See the color of my hands, friends. I think I've lost half of my tan already, and this hand always get exposed to the tan a lot, because when I drive, my left hand is exposed more than my right hand. So there's a little difference, but I feel that right now my hands are feeling good. My skin is feeling soft, and so soft to touch, and it has really done its good job. So I can feel the difference. See my neck, friends. You can really feel the difference. See, friends. Others, I always had a complaint that my face looks different color and my neck looks different color. So this is the difference, friends. I can feel that my tan is just wiping it out by itself. So I'll just apply a little lipstick and show you. I don't have any other makeup right now. See, I can take a good tissue and show you. See, I hardly have any makeup and nothing is coming out. So I'll just apply a little lipstick, a dash of lipstick. See, friends, no other makeup except for a little lipstick, a dash of lipstick. And we girls are really good in copying paste our own lipstick. We apply lipstick only on our lower lip, and we can do cut copy paste and do it on our upper lip too, like this. This was a joke, but see, friends, I really feel very good about my skin. I'm very comfortable in my own skin. So friends, try this facial and see it. You only need milk, honey, and turmeric, and it's good. And I eat turmeric every day, as you all know how much turmeric I use in my food. It's anti-inflammatory. And so friends, you saw how easy it was to do a 3-ingredient facial, and you only need honey, little raw milk, and turmeric, and your face glows, and you don't have to go to any salon, and you can save a lot of dollars actually. So that's one big plus point. So I enjoy doing all this at home and at my own comfort. Whenever I wish to do it, you can do this facial even before sleeping, in the night, or before going to work, or anyway you have a party or somewhere. You can do this instant glow facial at home. So it saves a lot of money, time, and exertion. So try it out, friends, and let me know what are your thoughts about it. You have any other uses for turmeric and honey and milk? Let me know more, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to answer them all. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, family, neighbors, your children, your grandmoms, everybody, friends. So if you have not liked my channel yet, it's a good time to like it and subscribe it. Okay, friends, sending you lots of love till the next video comes. Bye.